cocoa liners. Okay, they're cocoa liners. I don't have anything against them. They work well, but there's some things that you should know. This cocoa liner is porous, so when it comes to watering, you do have to watch your watering because that water can kind of pour right out. Where with a fiber pot or a plastic hanging basket, that water retention is going to be kind of encapsulated inside. So you do have to watch with the cocoa liners because it can get through there. The other thing to think about is wind. If you have a high wind or hot, dry air, that can kind of penetrate through that cocoa liner and it can strip the moisture away. But cocoa liners do work well. A lot of people like this decorative look, and there's nothing wrong with that. You have to think about your more upright plants because, you know, with our hanging baskets, you know, to me the point is I want a hanging basket that is huge, and most of the time you're not even going to see the hanging basket anyway. It should be covered by flowers, right? I really don't want to see the hanging basket. But for something decorative like this, if you have more upright, like geraniums, you know, that type of stuff, that's fine. A decorative metal hanging basket with the cocoa liner is great. You just have to think about, you know, you do have to watch your watering. It might take a little bit more watering to get everything well saturated because this can seep out and the water can weep out. And you might have to replace the cocoa liners. And we do have the cocoa liners available on our beatyourneighbor.com website. If you go there and you go into the shop area, we do have those cocoa liners in several different sizes. We're going to do another video and really drill down to, a lot of you ask, you know, like, how many plants do I put in a 8-inch hanging basket, a 10-inch hanging basket, or a 12-inch hanging basket? And those answers vary. So we're going to do a whole different video, so please be sure to watch one of our future videos. We're going to address that and address the different types of plant material that you can put in them, because it's going to be different if you put a geranium in versus a super petunia. There's going to be a different answer as far as how many geraniums do I put in, how many super petunias do I put in. So we're going to do a future video on that. Be sure to watch that. Please like our videos and subscribe to our channel. That helps us. You know, a lot of people ask us, hey, how can we help you small business owners? That is one of the #1 things that you can do that helps us as small business owners, is giving us a thumbs up and subscribing. And that really lets us know. You can comment too. Tell us where you're watching from. Tell us what you want to see us to do in future videos. And just give a word of encouragement. It goes a long ways for us as small business owners. That's one of the best ways that you can help us out. And if you want to check out our beatyourneighbor.com website, there's a lot of information there. There's the blog articles. We have a lot of blog articles. We have more how-to videos. And of course, we have our Beat Your Neighbor Fertilizer, which we're kind of famous for. So be sure to go and check out our beatyourneighbor.com website. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.